Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a memo in Trust Wallet. A memo, also known as a destination tag, is a unique identifier for transactions on certain blockchain networks. It's essential when sending specific cryptocurrencies to an exchange or a shared wallet address. Without including the correct memo, your funds might not be credited to your account, leading to potential loss. Understanding this is key for secure transfers. You'll primarily encounter the need for a memo when sending cryptocurrencies from your Trust Wallet to a centralized exchange. This is because exchanges often use a single wallet address for many users, and the memo helps them identify your specific deposit. Always consult the deposit instructions provided by the receiving platform. They will clearly state if a memo is required and where to find it. When you're sending crypto from Trust Wallet to an exchange, Trust Wallet itself doesn't generate the memo. Instead, the exchange you're sending to will provide a unique memo or destination tag along with their deposit address. You simply copy this memo from the exchange's deposit page and paste it into the designated memo field within Trust Wallet during your send transaction. It's a simple copy and paste process. It's important to understand that when you are receiving cryptocurrencies directly into your Trust Wallet, you do not need a memo. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning your addresses are unique to your personal holdings. Therefore, if someone is sending crypto to your Trust Wallet, they only need your specific wallet address. Never provide a memo when receiving funds directly to your personal Trust Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.